In this video, I'll be going over complementary and supplementary angles. Complementary angles are angles that combine to 90 degrees, whereas supplementary angles are angles that add up to 180 degrees. So below are 4 examples where we have the angles and we're going to find out what the x value is. For the first example, we have 20 degrees and we have x here, which is what we're trying to find the answer for. In this case, it's a 90-degree complementary angle combined. So we would take the 90 and minus the 20 degree that was provided, and the answer is 70 degrees. So x would be 70 degrees. For the second example, we have a straight line and there with vertices R, T, S. And RTS is a straight line, which means that it's 180 degrees. And if we were to look at the angle here, 150 degrees provided for STZ. So basically the angle STZ equals 150 degrees. So the x value here is angle RTZ right here. And that's the angle that we're trying to find, the x value. So if we take 180 degrees minus 150 degrees, we will have 30 degrees. And so 30 degrees is the answer, which means x equals 30 degrees. Now for the next example, we have a complementary angle because it's 90 degrees. And we were provided ZTR. ZTR is 50 degrees. So angle of STR equals 50 degrees. And what we're trying to find out is STZ. Angle of STZ, and to find that out, we would take the 90 degree right angle and minus the 50, and that equals 40 degrees. So STZ equals 40 degrees, which means that the x value is 40 degrees. And now we have the last example. Here we see the straight line through here. So we know that's gonna be 180 degrees. And we were provided CAD here as 80 degrees. So angle CAD equals 80 degrees. And if we take the 180 degrees minus the 80 degrees, we will have 100 degrees. And so this tells us that the angle of BAD, which is the x value, and what we're trying to find the angle for, is 100 degrees. So x will equals 100 degrees. And another good way that you could memorize that complementary is 90 degrees and supplementary is 180 degrees is by the alphabet in front of it. So because C is smaller than S, so complementary is 90 degrees. S, the first letter of supplementary, is bigger than C from the complementary, so supplementary would be 180 degrees. So that's one way that you could memorize whether complementary means 90 degrees or supplementary equals 180 degrees. So I hope these 4 examples are helpful for you, and thank you for watching.